Hi, it's Chef Rasheeda here from The Root, and today we are making marinated shrimp kebabs with a mango pico de gallo paired with a Bahama Mama.
This is Toasted, where delicious, easy-to-make eats go hand in hand with the dope cocktail.
So the first thing we're going to start off with is shrimp, and we're just going to season this. So we're going to start with garlic powder, and then I have some other seasoning salt here, some smoked paprika, and some onion powder. We're gonna add some black pepper. And because we are doing seafood, I always like to use some type of seafood seasoning. So now that we have our shrimp seasoned, we're just gonna put that to the side and we're gonna make our green seasoning. You basically just want to take the different herbs and put them into whatever electronic sauce that you're using. So today I have some cilantro. I'm gonna shove that in there. I'm gonna use some flat leaf parsley, and I'm gonna use some fresh thyme, which is very important. And then I'm gonna put some onion. If you have garlic, you can put garlic in. You can also put bell peppers. Literally whatever herbs you have in your fridge, and if you feel like they're gonna go bad, you can use them, and you can store this for whenever you're about to make a dish. So now we're gonna make a simple pico de gallo, and I chose to add some mangoes to it. So I'm using red onions. I think that they work better in any type of dressing, whether it's a pico de gallo. It's just easier. It's not as pungent. Then we're gonna slice up some tomatoes. I'm using Roma tomatoes. I always just get rid of this green part. It's just like, I don't know, it's a faux pas in the culinary world. You don't leave those in your little dishes. So the mango is gonna add a nice fresh sweetness to the pico de gallo. We're gonna squeeze some fresh lemon juice in there. Dice up a jalapeno, some fresh olive oil. Nice and fresh, something light to put on top of your skewers after they come off of the grill.